Hello, we have this integration in our hands. In order to solve this, how we have to go about it is, so see, there are two terms in the denominator, x plus 1 and x square plus 4. So we have to express it in terms of addition of two terms. One of the terms will have x plus 1 in the denominator, another will have x square plus 4. Okay, now this is a, this is bx plus c. So how we express it in this way is, so in the denominator it is x plus 1. The degree of x is, degree of this particular term is x 1. So we'll have to express it in a term which has a degree less than the denominator. So it is x, we have something called x, so it will have x to the power 0, right? Similarly, this is x to the power 1 because the degree here is 2. Okay, now if you do this, what we have in our hand right now is a by x plus 1 plus bx plus c. This is plus, okay, bx plus c, and here it is x square plus 4. If you calculate this particular term, what it will turn out to be is, here it will be x plus 1, here it will be x square plus 4. Okay, so the denominator matches with the original equation. Okay, and what happens to the numerator? It will be a x square plus 4 plus bx plus c into x plus 1. Okay, now we are only dealing with the numerator. Okay, so the numerator is here. We're only dealing with this term. How this term turns out to be is 4ax square plus 4a plus bx square plus cx plus bx plus c. Okay, now this is equals to a plus b x square plus b plus c x, and finally we have 4a plus c. Okay, hopefully this makes sense to you. Okay, so there are three terms. This, what is this equals to? This will be equals to what? This term, right? So this is equals to 2x plus c. So we can write that this is equals to this. Sorry, this is equals to 0. This is equals to 0. This is equals to this 2, right? Because x, this is x to the power 0, this is x to the power 0, and this is equals to 8, 7, right? So we have three equations in our hand. I'll write it in this place and I will refresh in another. A plus b equals to 0, b plus c is equals to 2, and 4a plus c is equals to 7. Okay, now a plus b equals to 0, and what is the other? B plus c equals to 2, right? So b plus c equals to 2, and another is 4a plus c equals to 7. So 4a plus c equals to 7. Now we'll solve this by subtracting this with this. Okay, so it turns out to be a minus c equals to minus 2. Okay, 4a plus c equals to 7. Now if you add these two terms, what it turns out to be is 5a equals to 5. Therefore a equals to 1. Now a equals to 1, so b, what is, from this equation we can say b equals to minus 1, and from this equation we can see c equals to 2 plus 1, that is 3. Okay, so our assumption, how it turns out to be, we have a b c, right? A equals to 1, b equals to minus 1, c equals to 3. Okay, so we'll rewrite this whole thing. So a equals to 1, equals to 1 means 1 by x plus 1. Okay, plus what is b? B equals to minus 1, so this is minus x plus c, and here c is 3, right? So c is 3, we'll write it as 3, and here it is x square plus 4 dx. Okay, and here it is also dx. You have integration of both of these terms, so this turns out to be ln x plus 1. Okay, this is very straightforward. We will not write the constant term right away because we will consolidate all the constant terms into one later on. Now what is this? Here we will write it as x by x square plus 4 dx, right? And here we'll have 3 dx x square plus 4. Okay, now we will have to worry about this particular term here. In order to do that, it is very simple. We just have to add half here and 2 there. Now x square, you can take x square plus 4 equals to t, and then 2x dx equals to dt, So you will have a simple sum here that it is dt by t with a half, of course. Now this is ln, this is ln of t, right? So we'll write it as minus half ln x square plus 4. Okay, now we already have a ln term here, which is ln x plus 1. And what is this? This is simple. So we'll do this in another page actually. So this is 3 dx. What is the term? X square plus 4. X square plus 4. Okay, now you have this. Now this is in the form of x square plus a square dx, right? What does this term mean? This is simply tan inverse, sorry, we'll have another some more space in this. So this is simply 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Okay, and of course with a constant term. So but we will ignore this, that for now. Okay, so this is 1 by 2 because 4 is simply 2 square, right? So 1 by 2 tan inverse x by 2, right? So we'll write this simply here. So this turns out to be plus tan inverse x by 2, and of course there's a 3 and we'll have 2 here extra. Okay, plus constant term. So this is how you solve this particular type of integral. It is all about expressing the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so this is it. We'll get back with another problem in another video. See you then.